A vector in 3 dimensions is simply 3 numbers in order. These 3 numbers are called components. Magnitude means length. The formula in words is this: square each component, add the squares together, then take the square root of that total. A unit vector is any vector whose magnitude is exactly 1. To turn any vector into a unit vector, we divide every component by its magnitude. Now let's work through an example. We want to find the unit vector in the direction of v, where v equals the components 3, -4, 12. Step 1, square each component. 3 squared is 9. -4 squared is 16, never -16, because a negative number times a negative number gives a positive answer. 12 squared is 144. Step 2, add these 3 squared values together. 9 plus 16 plus 144 equals 169. Step 3, take the square root of 169. The square root of 169 is 13. So the magnitude of v is 13. Step 4, divide every component of v by 13 to get the unit vector. The first component becomes 3 divided by 13. The second component becomes -4 divided by 13. The third component becomes 12 divided by 13. So the unit vector in the direction of v is the components 3/13, -4/13, 12/13. Now for the check step, to confirm this is truly a unit vector, we square each new component and add them together, and the result should equal 1. 3/13 squared is 9 over 169. -4/13 squared is 16 over 169. And 12/13 squared is 144 over 169. Adding these 3 fractions together, 9 plus 16 plus 144 over 169 gives 169 over 169. 169 over 169 equals 1. This confirms our answer is correct. The vector we found truly has magnitude 1, so it is a valid unit vector.